the years to come, there will be a point where the traffic management for manned aviation and unmanned aviation will be one. Today it's two different worlds. They do interconnect thanks to the interface that we've created, but I foresee a world where 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, there will be one system that will be used for manned and unmanned aviation. Unifly UTMS is a traffic management system for drones. It will help air navigation service providers to know where drones are. They can block parts of the airspace. And drone users can be informed about the legislation of aviation, where they can fly, where they cannot, where it's safe to fly. Lucid has been very instrumental from the beginning of the development of our project, because one of the big challenges is to take complex aviation data and present that to end users who have no knowledge about aviation. And Lucid has been very instrumental in helping us create an environment which can be understood by end users. The system that we've created interfaces to the existing air traffic management world. We've built together with Lucid an interface that is compliant with international aviation standards. So that's how we connect into the real ATM world or the manned aviation world, so that we can provide information into it and retrieve information. So there's a good coordination between unmanned and manned aviation. We hope that the UTMS system will be the standard, at least in Europe and potentially worldwide.